Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front drive axle on Mercedes C-class W204 4MATIC. In my case, I'm just going to change the inner CV boot, but I need to take out the drive axle in order to change the CV. That's the drive axle, and you can see where the CV boot is torn and it's leaking grease. So first we start by removing the wheel. Next to remove this cap covering the bolt for the drive axle. Now we remove the bolt that holds the drive axle. Next we remove those two bolts that hold the shock absorber to the wheel hub assembly. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Before removing the second bolt on the shock absorber, you just put the transmission jack underneath the wheel hub assembly just to hold it still, just in case. And maybe put an elastic rope as well. Next we need to push out the drive axle, the CV joint, from the wheel hub. Yep, the drive axle is out on one side. Now we need to remove the drive axle on the other side. In order to remove the drive axle on the other side, we need to remove this plastic cover, and then we'll just take out the drive axle. So that's the drive axle right there, and we need to get a pry bar and go just in there and try to pry it out, and the drive axle will come eventually out. Here it is. I'm prying out the drive axle, and with a little bit more force it will come out. Here it is, the drive axle is out. Now we can start changing the CV boot. First we need to take out the bracket and cut out the old CV boot. In order to take out the inner CV joint, we just pull it out, but be careful, there is a couple of rings that will fall off. You need to take them out. Make sure when you're assembling everything you put the rings in the right way, because otherwise you're not gonna be able to fit the CV joint in. So next we take the snap ring out in order to remove the tripod. I'm going to try to hammer out the tripod because it's not moving at all, and we'll see if we have any success. No, I don't think it's working out. I don't think the tripod is gonna come out, so we're gonna put a universal CV boot instead. This is the tool that I'm using in order to expand the CV boot, and I can then put it in and just take out the tool. Once the CV boot is in, we can assemble everything back in the reverse order. We put the 3 rings on, and then put the CV joint on. We'll put some grease in the CV joint first. Once we put the CV joint on, we can put on the new brackets on the CV boot, and we can assemble everything back on the car. Thank you for watching.